Hi friends, I'm gonna teach you how to build custom model using YOLO V8. At the end of this video, you can build your custom model. Now we see how to create a dataset using Google. Before creating a dataset, we need a small extension called download all image extension. We'll show you how to add that extension to the Chrome. Simply open Google and type download all image extension. After that, click on the first website. Here you can clearly see add to Chrome option. Just click on it. Click on add extension. That's it. Your extension is added. Now just click on the extension icon and just pin it. Now I like to collect my dataset. I like to collect images about AB de Villiers, a famous South African cricketer. Click on images. Now just simply tab on our extension. Total images are 216, saving 155. That means you are downloading 155 images and total images are 218. For now, I would like to download 157 images. Okay. Once it reaches 100%, download will automatically started. See, you can clearly see here we have downloaded the zip file. In similar way, I would like to download Dhoni and Chris Gayle images. Right click on the zip file and select extract all. Keep it as same. Now all the images are extracted here. Similarly, do for all the datasets. After completing, just click on each dataset. Now here you can find all the images of AB de Villiers and some of unknown images. Now delete all the unknown images which we don't need in the dataset. Repeat this process for every dataset. After creating and collecting the datasets, we should label that images. For that, we should use Roboflow website. Now I will show you how to use Roboflow for labeling the images. Just open your browser and type Roboflow. Click on first website. Click on sign in. I already have an account in this website, so I automatically log in. If you don't have an account, please create an account and use it. After creating an account, you should see interface like this. After that, just click on projects. Click on new project. Select object detection and click on create private project. Now we should upload our collected images here. For that, click on select folder and upload all the images here. After uploading all the images, you should see here total 252 images. Now we should label every image. Now I will show you how to label the images. Click on save and continue. Wait a few seconds, it will upload all the files. After uploading all the images, just click on label myself. After this, you can see all the images are loaded here. Just click on the first image. And now start labeling every image. Click here, draw the box on the face, and here just name the person name. And just click on save. Next image. Next image. Click save. Repeat this process until you complete all the images or labeling. After labeling all the images, just click on this tick mark. After labeling our dataset, we need to train our model. To train this model, select versions, click on download dataset, select continue. Copy this code and paste it in Google Colab. Before pasting, change the runtime. Select change runtime, select T4 GPU, click OK, save. Wait a few seconds, it will connect to T4 GPU. After that, copy paste that code here. After pasting, run this cell. This snippet helps us to download dataset from the Roboflow website. After downloading, you can see your dataset here. This is a test dataset, train dataset, and validation dataset. Next step is to install Ultralytics. Just paste this snippet and run this. Within a few seconds, Ultralytics will be installed here. You can clearly see successfully installed. Our next step is to import YOLO from Ultralytics. For that, paste this snippet and here copy this data.yml path and paste it here. For more accuracy, change this epochs to 100. Based on your dataset sets and the amount of accuracy you need, change the epochs. For now, I am using just 50 and running the cell. It takes time to train our model. Place your laptop and do your work. After 1 hour, come back and see your model is ready. When you reach 50 by 50 epochs, that means your model is ready to use. After completion of the training, you can download your model file, that is best.pt. To download that, select runs, select detect, select train, select wait, and here is the model file, that is best.pt. Click here and download it. And here you can see it is downloaded. To test this model, I am using PyCharm and OpenCV. After copying best.pt file, you need to place this best.pt file in the same folder. If you miss this, your project won't be executed. For example, I am showing how to paste best.pt file in the same folder. If you observe here, I have a folder name called lung-disease. Navigate to the exact folder location and just paste here best.pt file. If you observe, I have best.pt file in the same location. Now observe here, I have best.pt file in the same folder. To run our project, we need this code. I will provide this code in my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel link in description. Please check out. After pasting this, we need to install OpenCV and Ultralytics. After installing, just click on run. And this is the final output of our project.